Okay, for this next one, I don't know exactly what to call it. It looks a little spider webbish, kind of. It has kind of a cool optical illusion. And I drew this very lightly in pencil first. And I am so glad I did because I've never actually done this one before. And it took a minute for me to actually get it right. It didn't look very tricky, but sometimes that's how Zentangles work. They are not all that tricky looking, but it takes a minute for your brain to kind of get what is happening. So what I'm going to do for this one is I am going to draw a bunch of straight lines that are going to all just intersect at one spot near the middle. For this to work, you need to make sure you have an even number of lines. If you are drawing a line from one side over to the other, you will definitely have that. Just don't draw a line on part and then go over here and draw a line, go over here and draw a line, because then you won't have an equal amount of lines. Well, you may, but you may not. All right. So I have a whole bunch of intersecting lines to start that all go through one point in the middle. The next thing I'm going to do is start drawing just some curved lines. So I'm going to skip and go every other one, doing them in the same direction. Just curving them outwards. You see, I'm just doing every other one. All right, now it's time to do the ones in between. And now I want to curve them the other way. So I'm going to curve them going in towards that very center point. And when I start them, I want to start a little bit under where my other ones are. And that was the part that I didn't really see when I was first looking at these. So I'm going to start a little bit underneath one, curve it towards the middle, and go towards my other side. All right, now I'm ready to move on. What I'm going to do is I am going to start adding some lines inside one ring. There's going to be some little parallel, somewhat parallel lines to the ones on the sides, and they're all going towards the middle. So now you want to try to see where's the rest of this ring. So it's right here. So I'm going to do the exact same thing in here. And now it goes over to here. All right, now I'm going to skip the next one and I'm going to do the one after it. Same thing. All right, and it's done.